The Low-Income Investment Fund is a community development financial institution. We take large investments from Wall Street firms and we break them into smaller pieces and invest them in neighborhood projects. We made this grant to the Booth Childcare Center as a way of helping the center improve the quality of the space where the children play. The investment that we made in Booth helped improve the floors, the sinks, play space for the children, and the garden.
I got here May 2009. The floor really was unfriendly, filthy at the time, and needed some help. And I knew that the first thing was to get it deeply cleaned. We cleaned it and cleaned it, yet children and staff their asthma was flaring up and everybody blamed the carpet, which was correct.
When I first started, because I have asthma and have allergies too, I was only taking one medication, but once I started working here, they put me on 3. But I noticed the difference when we had the changes of the floor, the whole environment. I only take 1 pill, I don't have to take the nasal stuff. All that stuff has gone away, so I feel really good about that.
So the entire center is free of the old rug, and now we have a real great friendly floor in the infant room, the toddler room, the lobby, just about everywhere.
The grant that we made was for $80,000, but the Booth Childcare Center is so entrepreneurial that they took that money and they went to other funders, and they were able to take our money and actually double it to $160,000 that was invested in this childcare center.
And we're very proud of our patio. Before, we had a patio that really had horrible floor. Everything was patched up, taped up with masking tape. And now we have a beautiful patio that's usable and child-friendly, and you can see it's a functional classroom.
Now, you know, everything is safe, and you know that when you come in, you just have to wait till pickup time. You don't have to worry about anything else.
We've seen the child care center's finances become much more sustainable because the attendance for the children is up. The children are no longer in the emergency room because of asthma attacks. Mom and dad aren't in the hospital with their children, so they get to go to work, and it improves the family income. And the center is saving health costs because the disability claims of the child care workers are down by a huge amount. The Booth Center is an excellent example of what I call investing in what works. We can take this, and we know that it works, and we can take it from town to town and city to city and make these kinds of investments in ways that multiply power over and over again.